In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Squarespace. If you want to make your text clickable so viewers can open another page, visit a website, or access a specific destination, Squarespace makes the process very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and add a hyperlink exactly where you need it. To begin, open your Squarespace website and click on Pages. This is where you'll find the different sections of your site and choose the page you want to edit. Once you're there, go to the specific section where you want the hyperlink to appear. This could be part of a landing page, an about page, a blog section, or anywhere else you want to place linked text. Next, click Add Block in the top left area of the editor. From the available block options, select the text block, then drag and drop it into place wherever you want the linked text to be displayed. This is useful if you're creating new content, or if you simply want a clean space to insert a clickable line of text. Once the text block is in position, click on it to start editing. Type your text if needed, then highlight the specific word or phrase that you want to turn into a hyperlink. It's usually best to choose text that clearly tells the visitor what they're clicking on, so the link feels natural and easy to understand. After highlighting the text, look for the link icon in the context menu that appears. Click that icon to add your link. Squarespace will then give you different link type options. Choose the link type that matches what you want to connect to, then paste in your link in the field provided. Make sure the link is correct before confirming, especially if it leads to an external page. Once you've added the link, your selected text will now function as a hyperlink. That means visitors can click it and be taken directly to the destination you chose. This is a great way to guide people through your site, connect them to useful resources, or encourage them to take action. And that's really all there is to it. Creating hyperlinks in Squarespace is quick, straightforward, and very useful for improving navigation and user experience. After setting it up, you can preview the page to make sure the link works exactly as expected.